Kind of hard to see because the ice is melted, but it was all over the ice. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the Camaro and oil. So it was sitting all over the ice as we had a massive ice storm, and it's just starting to melt now. And then my low oil light came on and told me to add oil. This was just before Christmas. We were closed over Christmas, so I took it in just after Christmas. And kudos to my service department because they looked after me splendidly, but she's leaking oil. They did top me up, and I do have to wait a little bit to get it fixed because they're not going to have the parts till the new year, which is fine. I don't think it's going to detonate. It is a pretty slow leak, but the oil pan is leaking. The front side of the gasket, I guess, has failed, and it is leaking oil. So definitely have a concern. 70,000 K. It's like 40 something thousand miles, low 40s maybe. Definitely not a lot of mileage. 3.5 years. I can't say that the changing temperature would have anything to do with it because I live in Canada. I mean, obviously there's millions of vehicles in Canada built by GM, and they don't all just leak oil out of the oil pans. So it's been kind of an interesting experience, and I'm a little nervous. I don't know, I guess it is what it is, and there's nothing I can do about it now, but I am going to keep you guys updated. I didn't want to make a video of all the panic and chaos because it's really not a big deal. It is fully covered under warranty. I've already checked into all of that. GM has no issues with fixing it. My service department's been awesome, even with my mods and some unique stuff going on underneath, and the ACS composites under tray, no issues, which is always nice because we know that when you modify your cars, sometimes you take them back. Dealers don't want to work on them. They want to avoid your warranties and do all kinds of stuff. But the service department at John Bear's been pretty good. I've been real happy with it, and they're real communicative when I need answers or I have questions. So no longer a new girl, obviously, and she is falling apart. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.